head tracking, and zero cost. In the past few days, I've been trying to use the orientation of my Android phone as reference data for head tracking, and eventually use it to watch movies in Dolby Atmos. I'm curious to know what everyone thinks about this idea. So, I developed a mobile app that is responsible for sending the phone's orientation data to the computer. Here is the IP address of the computer, and then click here to start. Next, I developed a computer application that receives the data, performs a series of necessary color ratings, and then packages it into MIDI data to be sent to MIDI out. And this MIDI out is created using the software Loop MIDI. Now we can bind this MIDI device to Nuendo's remote control. Then we map the relevant parameters to the remote control. Some parameters need to be bound via the quick control. However, Nuendo does not support most movie formats, so I turned to DaVinci instead. It supports HDR and even Dolby Vision. DaVinci supports importing ADM files, and we can use Cavern to convert AC3 from movie files into ADM. However, this software does not support the conversion of THD. Did we just hear a couple of weird noises? Let's just check it out. It turns out that the converted audio was already corrupted. Luckily, there's the official Dolby reference player from Dolby, which offers the ability to convert 9.16 audio files via the command line. Accordingly, I embedded it into a previously written script to support transcoding video files containing multiple audio streams into multiple 9.16 audio files. So I can easily convert the desired file using the context menu of the movie file. While the 9.16 audio file doesn't contain cool objects like ADN does, it doesn't have the problem of basic listening errors. For now, it's the only optimal solution. Now I can immediately jump to the Sky Channel clip of interest and enjoy the movie directly from this thumbnail of the waveform representing the Sky Channels.